Sorry. Maggie, look this way. You cutie pie. Sweet.
I'm Genevieve Border, and I know Roxy, you don't love where you live. So send me those design dilemmas, and I'll help you take on your problems. Because it's time to fall in love with your home again.
Scaredy cat.
She's scared of mechanic. She's scared of the remote control.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Wonder why. Did you beat her with it when she was a puppy?
No, I never did.
I think you would like to see this on your big screen TV. You got a really close up of her on your leg.
Oh.
Do you guys have any video of your dogs?
No.
Okay. What do you smell, Maggie, huh? Come here, little Paparini. Come here, little Paparini. Such a cute girl. Look at the eyelashes. Look how long they are. Yeah, I know. You're a good girl. You're a good girl. Let me get a little close up. Here we go. Here we go. Look at me, kitty cat. I know, you're a Paparini. He's so cute. You just had me hold her hand. Come here, Maggie. Come here. I know. You're such a good girl. I'm going to hold your hand. You're my good Paparini. Okay. Okay, just not the snore, huh?